Me at hoops. Trying to see that big shot from right here.
His eyes real wide, and then finally shook his head very wildly from side to side, as if no, he didn't want to say anything. He closed his eyes, and that was the last time that he ever opened them.
Well, I'm sorry this video can be longer, but I had to do something, so remember to like and subscribe. And subscribe to my best friend, Lex, shout out 20, bruh, 53.